Hey everybody, welcome to Shelly Has Thoughts. Today I'm doing a little bit different. I am doing an unboxing for the first time. I got ColourPop 2 mystery boxes. They had a $15 3 palette box and a $49 mystery box. So I haven't looked. I opened the box, haven't looked because they're all loose in here, so I'm not even sure which one comes in which mystery box. But let's get going. I cannot wait. I'm not gonna look. Just gonna reach in and grab the first palette. Lilac You a Lot. I actually do not have this one and I have been wanting to buy it, so yay me. I am so glad. Okay, next thing. They're all in plastic, so I'm gonna end up with all the palettes first. Orange You Glad. Now I'm a redhead, so I'm gonna give that to somebody. It's one of my friends that wears makeup. I will give that to them. A Super Shock. Ladybug. Oh, it's an orange, I believe. Yeah, it's an orange. I'll double check, make sure it's not copper, but it looks orange, so it'll be going with the Orange You Glad. Feather Effect Brow Pen. Never used a brow pen. I've only ever used brow mascara, so we'll have to give that a shot and see if I can figure it out. What's this? 2 more Super Shocks. Super Shock Cheek product. I don't have any of these. Well, I have a highlighter, not a blush. And it is in Virtual Reality Matte. It's a Super Shock. I thought, nope, just ColourPop. Oh, it's almost creamy. It's like a cream to a powder. It's pretty. And then this one, Super Shock Shadow in Rocky Start. I'm gonna open some of these, or go back and open some of the palettes for you. Come out of there. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see if I can get a swatch. It's a copper. Have to ignore the bruise. There it is right there. It's a nice copper color. I can wear copper, so I will be keeping that one. I'm sure everybody has seen the inside of this palette, but I'm going to show it again. And that's the Lilac You a Lot. Boy. And the orange one. I don't want to ruin the box because give it to a friend. Yeah, I can't wear these colors. They're pretty, they're gorgeous. I can't wear them, they clash with my skin and my hair. A lot of redheads can wear reds and oranges. I've just never been able to pull it off. I used to, when I was younger, be able to wear yellows. I can't even wear yellows anymore. Let's swatch the orange Super Shock though and see if maybe I change my mind as to whether I can wear it or not. Oh, it's kind of light. It shows up orange though for sure, so that'll go to whoever I give this orange palette to. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, Honey Pie. I just had to declutter one of these. I'm not going to open this yet. I like them. It's the Luxe, ColourPop Luxe lipstick, liquid lipstick. I do like it. My other one went bad though because I didn't use it fast enough. So I'm kind of happy I got that one. And I don't know why I keep saying ColourPop. It's all ColourPop. What are these? This is another Luxe open it. Pretty. Should find a place that's not too bruised. Oh, all right, fine. Let's start doing this while I'm looking at it. There we go. I think you can see that better. I have to keep remembering that my arms don't turn properly to do it where I was doing it. And this is another lip. It's a blush stick. Never used a blush stick before. Ooh. Get some on my arm there. Right there, that's pretty. I like that. Huh. I might try that if I can get some skin tint instead of most of my foundations are full, medium to full coverage. So the underpinning or underpainting, whatever they call it, doesn't really work a whole lot. Miss Bliss Pressed Powder Palette. I have not even heard of this one. Come on, fingers. Thank you. Peach tones. I can wear these. These are nice. This one's a little orange, but I might be able to make it work. So there's 3 palettes. That's going to be the $15 mystery backs. All of a sudden I'm from another planet. Oh no, I got way more than 3 palettes here. Honey, I don't think I can wear this one either. I think it's yellows. I might try it first though, because you never know. Maybe as a sure is pretty. It sure is pretty. I am gonna give this one a shot before I give it away. I think I see another one that I really wanted. No, this one I have not heard of either. It's My Pleasure. I don't know if these are new or if they're old. The ones that I haven't heard of. Lilac You a Lot has been around for a while, and Orange You Glad has been around for a little while, I do believe. Oh, pretty purples and a few pinks in there, and I know I can wear some pinks. Am I going too fast? Like I said, I've never done this with these ones before, so let me give you another look. It's really pretty. So far, I'm probably keeping 4 or 5. Baby Got Peach. Here's the peach, another peach palette or a peachy palette, which I know I can wear. Their peaches look a little too orange. Might not be able to, but I'm going to give it a shot. This color I will not wear. It's too much glitter. I don't mind fine glitter, but when it's chunky like that, it's too much. Last thing in the box. Wild Child. Another one I've not heard of. Looks like it's going to be browns. Ooh, dark browns. And again, though, there's this one I might not be able to use. It looks a little less chunky. Doesn't go on too chunky. So I might be able to use that, but I will use that whole palette. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. Just the shipping label. Okie doke. So really, I think there's only 2 things that I'm probably that I'm definitely going to have to give away, and that'll be these 2. And I have one of my best friends, Heather, will probably get it because she's just that color of redhead to where she can still wear just about anything she wants. She's a lot of blondes. My family used to call that strawberry blonde, but as we age, a lot of redheads go more blonde than gray. I have gray hair. Not enough to need to, speaking of hair, excuse the way it looks, washed it today, didn't want to blow dry it, and it wasn't dry all the way before I wanted to film, so I'm stuck with it this way. So I got 7 eyeshadow palettes, 2 Super Shock shadows, 2 cheek products, and 2 lip products, and an eyebrow product. One of the mystery boxes was $49 and the other one was $15. I don't feel like I got cheated, considering I do believe most of their 9-pan palettes are usually $12 to $14. Full price, of course, but had to do it. I don't do mystery boxes very often, but I really wanted to, and I want to see how this goes. If you guys want to see more of this, I might start purchasing them pretty regularly every few months or so. And definitely at Christmas, if you like this, I'll do advent calendars. I guess that's about it. I haven't put up any updates yet for my that palette fun sized. I will probably combine that with another one towards the end of the month, because I tend to wear more makeup the first of the month and the middle of the month, and depending on what I'm doing depends on which palette I use that's in my projects. And today I didn't wear any of them. I have a blue and white outfit on, so I put on blue eyeshadow. So I am a monochromatic kind of gal, so I am finding that my multiple color palettes are hard for me to use. I am going to slowly but surely add them into projects so that I can figure it out. But that is all for today. Everybody have a great evening, day, whatever time you're watching this. Have a great day and afternoon, and be safe, and just love everybody you can. Not like that. See you in the next video. Bye.